Hello children, today we are going to see the first lesson of 8th standard science, measurement. Now let us see the introduction. What is physics? It is the study of nature and natural phenomena. இயற்கை நிகழ்வுகளை படிக்கிறது தான் physics. It is considered as the base of all science subjects. இதுதான் எல்லா சயின்ஸ்க்கும் பேஸ். It is based on experimental observations. Experiment பண்ணி அதை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி அதனால நிறைய பிரின்சிபல்ஸும் தியரிஸும் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இந்த theories in physics use many physical quantities that have to be measured. நிறைய physical quantities இருக்கு, அதை நம்ம அளக்க வேண்டியதும் இருக்கு. So what is measurement? Measurement is the base of all scientific studies and experimentations. It plays a vital role in our daily life. இந்த measurement வந்து ரொம்ப பெரிய பங்கு வகிக்குது நம்மளுடைய தினசரி வாழ்க்கையில. Suppose you are going to a shop and asking for sugar. How will you ask? You will say 5 kgs of sugar, 1 kg of sugar, 500 grams of sugar, like that. So what is it? 1 kg, 5 kg, 500 kg? It is the amount of sugar that you want to buy, isn't it? How the shopkeeper will give you? He'll have a 1 kg weight. He'll put it on the balance on the left side and the sugar will be kept on the right side. So when the balance is at the same position, equilibrium position, balance அது நிக்கும் போது, the shopkeeper says that the sugar on this side is also 1 kg. So what he is doing actually, he is comparing the unknown quantity with a known quantity. அவர்கிட்ட இருக்க தெரிஞ்ச பொருளை வச்சு சுகர் எவ்வளவு வச்சா 1 kg இருக்கும்னு அவர் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறார். அதுதான் measurement. The process of finding unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Now we are going to see unit of system. We need 3 things for a perfect measurement. ஒரு பொருளுடைய அளவை அளக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் வேணும், ஒரு குவான்டிட்டி வேணும், ஒரு யூனிட் வேணும். Suppose you are measuring the length of the book. So length is the physical quantity. Okay? For that you need a scale. That is the instrument used. And you need a unit for that. Here 30 centimeter is given, isn't it? There are 2 parts are there. 30 is a number value that is called as magnitude and centimeter is the unit. Now the unit has 3 systems. FPS system, foot for length, pound for mass, second for time. CGS system, centimeter for length, gram for mass, second for time. MKS system, meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time. இதுல CGS and MKS system or SI system of units, they are called metric system, and FPS system is not a metric system but it is a British system of units. Now we are going to see what is international system of units. Starting la scientists performed their experiments and recorded their result in their own system. ஒருத்தரும் ஒரு சிஸ்டமை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க. அப்ப கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் கிடையாதுன்றதுனால they could not organize the results. So அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They planned to follow a uniform system. 1960ல பிரான்ஸ்ல ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ஸ்ல SI சிஸ்டம்னு ஒரு சிஸ்டமை ஃப்ரேம் பண்றாங்க. அது இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ். SI அப்படிங்கிறது பிரெஞ்சுல சிஸ்டம் இன்டர்நேஷனல், அதோடைய அப்ரிவேஷன் தான். இதுல scientists have chosen 7 base quantities and அதுக்கு 7 standard units கொடுத்தாங்க. See the table. There are 7 quantities. These are called base quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. The units are given. For length it is meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, amount of substance mole, luminous intensity candela. இதுல length, mass and time we have seen it in 6th and 7th standard itself. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது temperature. See the pictures. Ice cream and ice cubes are cold. Iron box and fire, they both are hot. So, what is temperature? Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. If you give heat energy, the temperature increases. If you remove heat energy, the temperature decreases. The temperature is the measure of average kinetic energy of the particles. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure temperature. And there are three types of thermometers: Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. But the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Next we are going to see electric current. What is electric current? Flow of charges in a particular direction is called electric current. There is a formula for that. I is equal to Q by T. Here Q is the amount of electric charge and T is the time. And the unit of electric current is ampere. It is denoted by A. What is 1 ampere of current? If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current is 1 ampere. And see this diagram, it is called as ammeter. It is used to measure the electric current. If you want to find the current flowing through this circuit, you should connect an ammeter to it. The ammeter will show you the current flowing through the circuit. Next we are going to see amount of substance. What is amount of substance? It is the measure of number of entities. What is that entities? Particles. The particles may be atom, molecule, ion, electron, proton, neutron, etc. And the particle எதுவா வேணா இருக்கலாம். So, and the particles பதில் you can call it as entities. What is amount of substance? It is a measure of number of entities. And the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. What is directly proportional? If amount of substance is more, then it shows that the number of atoms is more. Number of atoms அதிகமா இருந்தா substance அதிகமா, amount of substance அதிகமா இருக்கும். இது குறைச்சலா இருந்தா அதுவும் குறைச்சலா இருக்கும். Now see, the copper coins are given. If you want to count it, you can count it easily, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But can you count the amount of substance? No. It is very difficult to count the number of atoms because they are not visible. அது நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது. The number of atoms or molecules is measured in mole. Mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. So what is 1 mole? It is the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles இருந்ததுனா அந்த amount of substance நம்ம ஒரு mole னு சொல்லுவோம். And it is denoted as MOL. The symbol for mole is MOL. And 6.023 into 10 power 23 is also called as Avogadro number. I think I am clear. The rest we shall see in the next class. Thank you.